Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a spike stitch in my pattern for the Aubrey Lynn hexagon. This is used on the half hexagon and on the regular hexagon motif. So we are going to go ahead and just hop right into it. So for this pattern, you're going to work your spike stitch between the double crochets of the two double crochet together cluster. So we're going to go ahead and yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook into this space. So we're going to go ahead and put it through there, and I'm working over top of my yarn right now, so it's a little fiddly. And then we're going to pull up our loop, and we're going to pull it up to the height of the other double crochets from this round. Okay, we're going to yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And so we have just completed a double crochet spike stitch. So this is used in my pattern, but you can use this in any type of blanket pattern. So I hope that this is helpful.